We become what we behold. We shape our tools, and then our tools shape us. We look at the present through a rear-view mirror. We march backwards into the future. I wouldn't have seen it if I hadn't believed it. I may be wrong, but I'm never in doubt. Our age of anxiety is, in great part, the result of trying to do today's job with yesterday's tools and yesterday's concepts. Anyone who tries to make a distinction between education and entertainment doesn't know the first thing about either. Everybody experiences far more than he understands, yet it is experience rather than understanding that influences behavior. We don't know who discovered water, but we know it wasn't the fish. The story begins only when the book closes. The artist is the man in any field, scientific or humanistic, who grasps the implications of his actions and of new knowledge in his own time. He is the man of integral awareness. As a rule, I always look for what others ignore. Obsolescence never meant the end of anything. It's just the beginning. The greatest propaganda in the world is our mother tongue. That is what we learn as children, and which we learn unconsciously. That shapes our perceptions for life. That is propaganda at its most extreme form. It has always been the artist who realizes that the future is the present, and uses his work to prepare the grounds for it. The wheel is an extension of the foot. The book is an extension of the eye, clothing an extension of the skin, electric circuitry an extension of the central nervous system. I am curious to know what would happen if art were suddenly seen for what it is, namely, exact information of how to rearrange one's psyche in order to anticipate the next blow from our own extended faculties. I don't necessarily agree with everything that I say. Tell us how you liked Marshall McLuhan's quotes by commenting, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and pressing the bell icon.